What is up, trappers? Check it out, man. I got dirty hands again. That seems to be like a common thing as of late. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, we got Johnny and the Journey Gang back here, Wayne Wolf, and you know he brought the Hellcat. You see it back there? Yeah, you know Frostbite sitting back there. That's why it's so cold today. I don't know. It could have something to do with the overcast. But anyway, everybody's seen the video the other day where we had a bit of an incident with this. I'm going to show you what we actually got into. I'm going to flip this around, guys, and we're going to check it out. There's Wayne and Tundra. Isn't she gorgeous?
You gonna say hi?
She's a good girl. She is. She's so pretty. She's such a good girl. Alright guys, check this out. So in here, 1 inch that we cut out of the spacers in the airbag does make a difference, guys, because this is the 1 inch difference, and this is not like an inner well. Like on the other side of this is my computer and all my other stuff, but the line that was coming from here, this side, let's see, we have the airbag down there because we were testing it, and this line would normally sit down here. The airbag sits down in there, and that line would go to the airbag. This one's coming from the manifold in the back, and then the small one here is the one that goes to the pressure gauge. So the problem we had is that it melted the line, guys. When the tires hit that, it just got it so hot, it melted right through it, guys. So we had to track that down, figure out what the deal is, but that's what was causing the leak and the gauge not to work. So we're going to get a hold of some things, acquire a few parts, and we're going to get all this taken care of and put back together. We get the air back in and get everything reran and done up, guys. And hopefully we'll be able to be back with another video of the mini truck in full motion and full swing again, guys. The more I look at this is the more I see we got a few extra projects coming up. I think we have some tie rod ends, idler bar, oh, what the hell's the other one?
Pitman arm.
Pitman arm, yes. And a few things like that here in the front end. And we might tackle this air ride situation. So that's what we're working on, guys. That's what we're out here doing. We're just hanging out here in the trapway. It's still a nice day. Ooh, man, look at that car. Damn. The Hellcat looks good every time on camera. What up, Johnny? Johnny just looks at the camera and don't even say hi. So we're going to say hi for him. There's my dirty hands, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.